Can you tell if this video is fake? What about this one? With AI, fakes are getting more real than reality, and they are everywhere. But today, I will show you how to spot the signs before you are fooled. Let's dive in.
Hey, I'm Beauty. Welcome back to the Chanel. In this video, we'll break down how to spot AI-generated fake news and deepfake step by step. Stay to the end for a quick quiz to test your news skills.
AI can now generate images, even clone voices. Tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, and Deepfake Lab can now create incredible, realistic, but totally fake content. And here is how. Fake news often lack credible sources, uses exaggerated language, and is emotionally charged. If it makes you angry or scared, immediately pause and verify. Red flags to watch out for. Too emotional or shocking. Is designed to go viral. No sources or word citation. Check original reporting. Check publication date, author and outlet. Wrong quotes and images through reverse image search. 4. Shadows and lightning. In reality, shadows fall naturally. In AI videos, the lightning might be strange or mismatched. Skin might look overly polished, plastic-like, or glowing unnaturally. Unnatural eye or facial expression. Robotic or flat voice. Strange hand or glitching background. The next time you see a video that feels off, pause, analyze, and verify before believing it. Stay safe, stay smart, and don't be fooled by the tricks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the 21st Century Educator for more.